Okay, everybody. Virginia right now. Okay, look at this. Well, because I was looking for a thumbnail for this, and look, Tornado Watch Virginia. Tornado Watch 408 is effective until 9:00 p.m. for the following locations: VA. Watch out for dark, rotating clouds. If you see one, take shelter immediately. 2 hours ago. And this is Tornado Watch. Well, no, that ain't for us. Yeah. Guys. Look at that, guys. It's around us. Until 9 p.m. So this is going to be going on for almost 11 hours. Watch has been... No, that's North Carolina. Guys, this is really dangerous. We're going to go into... map. I don't think it's going to go for a tornado. I think, guys, it will do it. Oh, well, it doesn't. I'm probably not going, guys, basically. I'm just going to go on the weather. Just look at this. What? Did you guys just see that? It just told... Hold on, I'm going to have to... Wow. That was just crazy. Oh. So it's done now. Sorry, guys, for the delay. And that was actually fast, though. So, guys. Hello, guys. Look. That's MC Ninja. Okay, here it is. Here's the weather. Today, so you guys are going to be seeing the weather. Location, yes. That could have went completely wrong. Could have said where my location was. Bad that would have went. Oh my goodness, that could have been bad. Sorry guys, but I can't tell you my location. Basically, this is... That's what's hitting us. I'll just get you... I'm gonna have to search up the weather. Wait. Weather. Sorry guys. I'm about to... Look at that. 12. Okay. It's, I actually hit 12 right now, guys. Do you see that on the top? Look. See, 12 p.m. Thursday, October 11th. And then 1 p.m., 60%, 2 p.m., 90%, 3%, 3 p.m., 90%, and then 4 p.m., 100, 5 p.m., 100, 6 p.m., 100, 7 p.m., 100, 8 p.m., 80, 9 p.m., 70, 10 p.m., 70. Then it's like gone. Then it goes until 11 p.m. So it's going to be hitting us for 1, 2, oh my goodness, 1, 2, 3. Oh, and look, it also is thundering and raining. So it's going to do for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, hold on, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry guys, it's 10 out. 11. How about tomorrow? What's for tomorrow? Tomorrow is completely good. Guys, you see that sunny just 10 days? Oh my goodness. That's today. Yeah, we're getting hit today. Then the next thing, well, in a couple more days we're supposed to get rain again, but that should be normal. There's 100% we're getting it today. Guys, we're in a tornado. We're in literally a tornado. Guys, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. Sorry guys, I can't switch over to camera, but I'm gonna switch over to camera so you guys can see. Sorry if it's like bad quality and stuff. Okay, it's about to see it. Okay guys, look. It might not look that bad. Clouds, they look, it's lighter than it actually is. It's gonna get better very soon. Let me look on the other side. Okay, guys. Oh snap! It's getting further. It should be hitting us in an hour, and it's well. That's our type of door too. Type we have. Guys, what just happened? But oh snap! You guys see that? Water's. Oh my god. It's windy, getting windy. Can you see this? It looks not as worse than it actually is in real life. It looks cool. Oh my goodness. Do you see that over there? It's starting to get dark over there. Oh, I think that might just be because how it is. But right there, it's so much better. It's just the leaves. The leaves. They ain't shaking and stuff. But sorry guys, you couldn't see that. Hey guys, I'm so sorry. Those black things, like, don't you know? I think you might see those. I'm so sorry. I will be removing them, like more future videos. I'm so sorry. Guys, guess what happened last video? All my editing, I put it in it. It got all erased. Except my first ever one. And guys, also look. Hold on, I'm gonna get out. Sorry guys if it rain out any second. If it does, then you guys will see a part 2 if it does run out. But I hopefully should have like 13 minutes to do this. And no, I'll go YouTube. And guys, we already have 4 subscribers. To try and get, we need to try to get more subscribers. We need to do this, like, hopefully, like deep in the forest, guys. I'm gonna be so excited for this. We're gonna have cameras and all that stuff. I'm actually gonna show you my supplies, but it might be a tornado coming. And Hurricane Michael is definitely coming. And I showed you guys the weather.
What is your favorite Pokemon?
What? That was weird. He said, what's your favorite? So basically, I'm going to get some of this. I bring a selfie stick. Well, guys, I might be using a selfie stick. That might be funny. Hold on, guys. Sorry, guys, about that. I also have a flashlight. I really need to go all the way back. Oh, sorry, guys. But here's a flashlight. And it's 12:09 right now. I think that might be the wrong time. Here's my flashlight. Got some extra batteries. This is an army flashlight. But hold on, guys. Wait, where am I get this? Hold on. Sorry, guys. Here's the flashlight. I'm gonna go somewhere dark so you guys can see it. It's a pretty strong flashlight. Guys, cover your eyes. Nah, you don't. I don't think you guys have to. Hold on. Okay, guys. Here you go.